Hey guys, we're in the midst of yet another coronavirus lockdown. We're meant to stay at home, go out once a day for exercise, and when we do go outside, to stay local. So I've decided to invest my time in doing some small projects at home that are connected to my outdoor life. And today I've decided to have a go at making a small pouch to put my tinder, my firelighting material in when I head out to the woods. Now, over the last few weeks, you would have seen videos on my channel about, for example, harvesting the horse's hoof fungus, which was the first time I'd done it, extract the amadou and create a firelighting material. I've used bulrush to start fires, which I used to do all the time as a kid. It's great fun. And I've also made some different types of char cloth. So I'm going to go to the workshop and have a go. Come with. So I've come out to the workshop and I've got this piece of leather that was harvested off of an old couch before it ended up on the skip or in the tip. So what I need to do is draw a circle. Now, you can make these things as big or as small as you like. It's got to be practical, right? I'm banned from bringing plates from the house out to the workshop because I keep breaking them. So I have a tortilla, 2 purposes. I can draw a circle and I can eat it. So I've cut myself a circle. The next stage is to make some holes around the outside to weave some cord through so that I can pull it into a pouch and close it. To help me mark the holes accurately, I've got this kind of clock face that I picked up from a hobby store quite some time ago. That should help me get an even spacing with the holes, so when I pull it tight, it works. That's the theory. Let's go. To actually cut the holes in the leather, I'm using this little gadget here. Now you've got several of these little pieces here with various size holes, and this is the punch bit. You screw the two together, hold it in place, and give it a whack. So I've cut the holes in my circle of leather. They're not particularly pretty, but they do the job. This isn't going to go on sale. This is going to be a rough and ready to sit in my pack and hold some firelighting materials. The next stage is to weave through, to cut and weave through some paracord. Now, to measure the length of paracord, I'm going to get the circumference of the circle, cut that as a length plus half again, and that should give me enough to do the job. So that's it. That's the end of my quick project to make a very small, rough and ready looking leather pouch from scrap leather harvested from an old couch. I finished mine with a small toggle made from scrap wood and a fancy knot in the paracord. We can't get out right now, so we might as well do stuff at home. Enjoy.